Oh! What's up? How's it going? What you been up to, sis? Wowee! So, it's been a really rough week. Really rough. I went to Costco today. So I thought, in spirit of going to Costco and getting a bigger quantity of things that I really needed, I'm going to make some rice and some meatballs. Rice and meatballs. So to start off, we're gonna be using the Kirkland brand Italian style beef. Yep. Actually, do I want to do that? Alright, change of plan. We're not doing this. So instead of meatballs and rice, I'm just gonna make spaghetti. Isn't that so cute? Full circle, sis. We're gonna be using the rest of this toasted garlic ass, marinara ass, sauce ass. Let's get started. You already know the deal, sis. Filling up this pan with some water, honey. And then, I don't know, everyone that I watch on YouTube love that for me. Always need to salt my water. That's what we're doing. Oh. Okay, I opened up these McNeedies. Like meatballs, bitch. I'm excited. I'm so pumped and ready and joyous and ready. Wow. Well, I guess we should probably start on the meatballs. Oh my god! In the spirit of meatballs, I'm gonna be using a circular pan. Hey, honey child. Hey, it's me. I figured since I'm gonna be pouring some meatballs onto this pan, I figured I would change up this view a little bit so you guys can see a little bit of more like of what I'm like doing, you know? It scared you? Okay. Yes. I am just gonna do it. Yes. Okay. And just in time, the water for these noodlies are ready. The water are ready. No, that's not how we speak. That's not how we speak. Fuck. What? Oh my god, me? Who are you kidding? Oh my god. You're kidding. Okay, so the water. The water is boiling now. Did you like that? Yeah! Get in there. Plop these babies in the oven. Hey, I'm editing this video right now, and I just watched this next part that you're about to see, and I'm like really confused. I don't remember recording this at all. I don't remember this being a part of the video whatsoever. I don't even remember any of this part. What the fuck just happened? I don't understand. Like, I don't get it. I honestly don't get it. I really don't. I really don't get it. I guess something is wrong with me. I'm a robot. I guess it's just, I'm a robot. Oh my god. Okay, so wow, okay. Wow, okay. Wow. That was weird. Okay. Sis. I'm gonna heat up this sauce now. 16 minutes. Because that's what the bag told me. yeah, so now we just kind of wait for everything to get done, I guess. I don't know. Everything will be done eventually. So the noodles are just about ready and I am so excited to eat them. Turn those off and ooh, spicy. Let's put this in the sink. And now we just focus on the sauce and the meatballs until we can throw it all together and make the best spaghooter dinner you've ever seen. Meatballs look so fucking delicious and they smell even better. I can't wait. Well, I put in earrings today. Yeah. And unfortunately so, I keep forgetting that I have them on and I literally have been snagging them on everything. Oh, it just hurts really bad.
Oh, what?
Yes! And more mixing. So let's just get some of that on there. Okay, let's try it. Queen. Let's try a meatball. Queen. This was everything I needed and more. I hope you enjoyed this because it was a lot of fun to film. I guess that's it. So, bye.